Welcome back to our channel, Mobile Tech Enthusiasts.
Today, we have an electrifying topic to discuss: mobile phone batteries.
As we all know, battery life is a crucial aspect of our smartphones, and it can make or break our mobile experience. In this video, we will delve deep into the world of mobile phone batteries, understanding how they work, tips to improve their lifespan, and exploring the latest advancements in battery technology. So, let's dive right in. How mobile phone batteries work. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's understand the basics. Mobile phone batteries are the lifeblood of our devices, supplying the power they need to operate. But how do they work? Well, it's all about chemistry. Diagram of a lithium-ion battery. Most modern smartphones use lithium-ion batteries. These batteries have positive and negative electrodes that contain lithium ions. When the battery is charged, lithium ions move from the positive electrode, cathode, to the negative electrode, anode. And when the phone is in use, those lithium ions flow back to the cathode, generating electrical energy. Battery drain, causes and solutions. Now that we understand how batteries work, let's talk about the dreaded battery drain. We've all experienced it, our phones running out of juice at the most inconvenient times. But fear not, there are ways to extend your battery life. Visual, list of common battery draining factors. First on the list, apps running in the background. Many apps continue to consume power even when you're not actively using them. Closing unused apps can significantly improve your battery life. Adjusting brightness and using battery saving mode. Next, screen brightness. Keeping your screen brightness at a reasonable level can conserve battery power. Additionally, enabling battery saving mode can limit background processes, giving your battery a much-needed boost. Smartphone battery replacement. Lastly, battery health. Over time, batteries degrade, leading to decreased performance. If your phone's battery is old and not holding a charge like it used to, consider getting it replaced to restore your phone's vitality. The future of mobile phone batteries. Now, let's peek into the future of mobile phone batteries. Technology is always evolving, and batteries are no exception. Exploring new battery technologies. Researchers are actively working on various battery technologies, including solid-state batteries and graphene-based batteries. These innovations promise faster charging times, increased capacity, and better safety. Wireless charging and battery improvements. Host. And speaking of charging, wireless charging is becoming more widespread, making it even more convenient to charge our devices without the hassle of cables. Conclusion. That's it for today's video on mobile phone batteries. We hope you've gained valuable insights into how batteries work, how to improve their lifespan, and what the future holds for battery technology. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay charged and stay connected.